Hey guys, it's Shamsa and welcome back to my little kitchen. Now let me show you how to make a quick 10-minute potato snack or side dish called Jeera Aloo. Now make sure you subscribe for more recipes like this. Let's not waste any more time and let's start cooking. So the ingredients you're going to need is as follows. Now these basic ingredients, if you make curries on a regular basis, you will without any doubt have these ingredients in your kitchens at home. So there is no excuse for you not to be making this really simple, easy curry. So I have here some potatoes. Now I'm using just normal baking potatoes and I've peeled them and I've just chopped them roughly like that into small chunks. And these are approximately 500 grams in weight. I've got here some cumin seeds, fresh green chilies which I've sliced finely. Add however many you wish, more or little. This is meant to be a spicy kind of snack or side dish. So again, it's your personal preference as to how much you add in. I've got here salt, coriander powder, Kashmiri chilli powder and cumin powder. We've got here some sugar just to balance everything out and just give a slight caramelization to those potatoes, and turmeric powder. Now I've got here oil. I'm using coconut oil. You use whichever you wish. I've got lime juice, kasoori meethi, which is dried fenugreek leaves, and fresh coriander, and that is it. And you need water. So let's start cooking. Right, I'm going to start by adding my oil to my pan, and my heat setting is currently on a low heat setting, and I'm just going to allow my oil to melt and come up to temperature. So when the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add the cumin seeds and the green chilies and just fry them for around 30 seconds. That's perfect. And now I'm going to add my drained potatoes into this and just toss them around. And we can now add the spices in. Give everything a mix. See how simple and easy this dish is. And now we're going to add 150 millilitres of boiled kettle water into that. Just give it a mix. Just make sure those potatoes are all submerged into that water. And we're just going to allow this to come up to temperature. Once it's come up to temperature, pop the lid on, and we're going to cook this for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. And we'll be ready to finish the dish off after 10 minutes, and I'll show you how it looks. Do give it a stir in between that 8 to 10 minute window, but I'll show you how it looks once it's done. Right, okay, so the potatoes have had 10 minutes of cooking and this is how they look. Ooh. So all of that water that we added has dried up really nicely. Just look at that beautiful, beautiful colour, and the cumin coating on there, which is what makes these potatoes absolutely wonderful. And they are fork tender, by the way, so your fork goes straight through them. If you can see that, they're breaking now, but still holding their shape. Right, now to finish off, all I'm going to do is just go in with the lime juice. Wonderful. And just sprinkle over that fresh coriander and just give everything one final mix. Absolutely beautiful. And you can see that slight caramelization happening because of the sugar that we added. Sorry guys, I completely forgot to add the kasoori meethi, so I'm going to do that now. And just gently stir that through. And there we have it guys, my simple and easy Jeera Aloo is ready. Serve it as a snack or a side with any other curry. Enjoy and let me know how you find it.